Okay, hi again. Okay, so we're going to continue with the part 3 in which we're going to maintenance of the air conditioning system. We will look into the type of maintenance in the air conditioning system. They can be divided into three categories. The first one is the water chemistry, in which involve with the minimize the effect of the scale, corrosion, and biological, okay, inside the system itself. This one usually for the chiller water system. And also we look at the mechanical maintenance. It involves with the lubrication, okay, enough refrigerant, oil level, pump, and all the mechanical parts. And the third one is the operational procedure, in which it involves with the oil analysis, calibration, and all that kind of maintenance. Okay, these are the very basic. Okay, it can be applied both for the split unit, or if they involve with the cooling operation tower, so it's for the centralized unit. So we look at check compressor operating pressure. Okay, we can check that. Okay, most of the air conditioning unit have this. Check oil level and pressure. Check motor. Okay, check electrical devices. Check water flow. Okay, this one water flow is for the chill water system. Check unload operation. Review water chemistry. This one is for the chill water, and also review cooling tower operation for also chill water system. So this is for the chiller maintenance. Okay, this is specific for chiller maintenance. These are the activity that it can be done. Inspect the chiller. Okay, inspect the physical part of it. Routine check on the refrigerant, okay, compressor, oil level, pressure, the motor, and then the starters, okay, the water flow rate, the water chemistry, okay, in the water chiller, the cooling tower, and also the tower itself. Okay, let's look the video on the maintenance.
Water-cooled chiller maintenance. Water-cooled chillers require cleaning from algae and bacteria. Scales on tubes are removed by using an acid compound. Proper water treatment is also critical to the operation of the condenser. Water-cooled chillers are located inside of a building, so they are usually better maintained due to being more accessible.
Okay, you need to always check on the water, okay, because in the cooling tower it is exposed with the air. Okay, all right, let's see at the mechanical component. Recommended maintenance for mechanical component. Okay, check the pump. Okay, maybe after 5 to 10 years you need to do replacement. Okay, visual inspection, that's very important, and also on the safety and the condition of the electrical component. And the heat transfer surface on the pipe, okay, use a qualified water treatment specialist, so make sure the pipe is not corrode or any in not a good condition, and then clean absorber and condenser tubes. Okay, tubes pipe need to be checked regularly. Okay, clean the water side strainer, need to remove all the debris, okay, and test tube every 3 years, okay, for corrosion, leaking, and so on. Okay, air leaking into the chiller, okay, increase evaporator pressure and temperature. Okay, so the air leak into the chiller, decrease the chiller capacity, okay, increase the heat out input, increase the concentration, and could cause crystallization. Okay, maybe because of the the water is not clean and everything, so it will cause lots of problem. And safety control. This one is especially for compressor. Okay, what happen if the compressor stop? Right, so be careful. Check on the motor temperature, okay, on the all the pressure and so on. And these are the common problem in air conditioning. Okay, so you need to maintain regularly. Refrigerant leak. Okay, refrigerant is very critical. If it leak, it won't give you the heat absorbent or heat release process. Okay, so it doesn't cool anymore. Even you change the temperature, you don't feel it. So if a conditioner in a low on refrigerant, so you need to top it up. If it leaks, you need to add and repair. Refrigerant leaks can also be harmful to the environment because of the release of the CFC. Okay, that's very dangerous to the ozone layer. Inadequate maintenance, you never check on the filter, you never check on the blower and everything. So you see the filter has never been cleaned. This is what happened. It will make the aircon to work more because of they cannot the air is not really pass through the filter in efficient way. Okay, so it will not work properly. And also look at the cooling coil is very rusted, okay, rusty, and everything is not in good condition. So for sure the compressor or the fan will fail due to this inadequate maintenance. Electrical problem. Okay, look at the compressor, the fan control. It can wear out. Okay, if it's on and off frequently. Even the wire terminal you need to check, especially the outdoor one. And make sure the connection and the contact are in the good condition. Sensor problem. Okay, the sensor is very important because it will involve with the temperature. Okay, thermostat sensor located behind the control panel usually detect the temperature that the user want to control. Yeah. So if it's not working or you don't check it regularly, it will give you a not an efficient working air conditioning. And drainage problem. Okay, this is what happens when there's an obstruction, okay, in the system. All right, so you need to make sure that all the lines are not blocked. Okay, water not should be add on whenever it in the cooling tower. Okay, whenever the water sometimes they evaporate, so they need to top up with the more water. Okay, to make the circulation more efficient. And sometimes they have the debris. Okay, sometimes the dry leaf or all the sorts of foreign object will get into the cooling tower. Cooling coil itself. Okay, cooling coil and the condenser you need to make sure it's in the good condition. You need to regularly maintain or service this cooling coil. Yeah. Make sure it check regularly, you wipe it clean, and if it's in the not the good condition, you can use bleach and water to help the cleaning. And condenser. Since the condenser is outside, outdoor for the split unit, so you need to check for the leaf, okay, spider web. Sometimes it's you never clean it up, so it clog the blower. Okay, add lubricating oil to the motor. Okay, and you need to clean regularly. Clock evaporator coil. Okay, this one is the indoor part. Okay, so need to clean up the filter or you need to change if it's too long. And then if it's clogged, okay, atau tersumbat, maka the evaporator will work more. Then the electric bill will go higher because it have to work more to produce the heat release and absorb. Okay, thermostatic expansion valve. Okay, these are the expansion valve. So it's more on the detecting the pressure. So it's very important to make sure it's in very good condition. Okay, it's a very sometimes the due to the wear and tear. And these are the other problem for the expansion valve. Okay, you need to check on the capillary tube. Okay, and also the valve itself. The problem maybe it cause a noisy unit. Okay, sometimes it produces a loud noise at the compressor or the condenser. Sometimes it need to change it after maybe 10 or 15 years. And when it's no longer efficient, so you need to change to the new air conditioning system. So that's all for our maintenance in the air conditioning system. So we will discuss this in the live session. All right, so I see you.